Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this tutorial we will know how to render this interior space using a reference mood board of living room, and it will render using a nano banana. And I have also changed the cloth texture, like I have changed here. You can see this is the silk fabric, and in the next image you can see I have changed the sofa center table too by just uploading a center table reference. So here we will do a step by step. So let's start. So first here we have to select create image option from this toolbar, and you have to select pro option. Okay. Now here you have to click over the upload file, and you have to upload two image. First one of the interior empty space that I have rendered in a SketchUp using an Inkscape. Okay. So just select the empty space and then select the mood board that you can download from the Pinterest. Many kind of mood board available there. So just select both images. Okay, now you have to open it. Now here you have to type the prompt. So just follow the same prompt. Okay, here you have to type place the mood board furniture inside empty interior space. Okay, so prompt is the key to make your render accurate and looks very real. Okay, so here you have to type same prompt that I have typing here. I will give you the this prompt in a description. You can just copy and paste there, and after that you have to type. Now here you have to type a 4K. Then here you have to also give the prompt like do not change the aspect ratio, or you can type aspect ratio will be what the aspect ratio of your original empty space rendered image. Here this is the 1440 into 1080. So now guys, it's prompt is done. Now here you have to click over arrow. Now here you can see it's rendering, and it will take a couple of minutes to generate. Now here you can see the result. This is the result that we have achieved just uploading the mood board and uploading the empty space. Now you can join our masterclass of AI rendering, that is one-on-one classes. Now here you can see this result. Now in next step, I want to change the sofa color. Okay. And the fabric texture also. So just you have to type. Now change the sofa color in blue silk fabric. Okay. You have to type like that. Change the sofa cloth texture in blue color silk fabric. Okay. That's it. So here, after that, you have to just hit enter key to render again. So for a perfect rendering, prompt is a key. Okay. Our one-on-one classes are going on. You can join our AI rendering masterclass that is totally based on Nano Banana and Chat GPT. And you have to comment in a comment section. I will drop the link to join our classes. And here you can see the final result. It's very stunning. Color is changed. It's looking like a silk fabric. So guys, for more tutorial, you just subscribe my channel and please share and like. Thank you guys. See you next tutorial.